Welcome to the class of statistics. Today we'll learn about how to calculate the median of a statistical data. Before going through the median, we should know about how many types of series are there in statistical data we're going to deal with. First one is individual series, in which the individual observations are given to us. Second is discrete series, in which the variables and their respective frequency is provided to us. And the last is continuous series, in which we have intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and the respective frequency is given to us. We will calculate the value of median in all these three series one by one. So now, what is median? It's actually the middle value in any statistical data. For example, we have a series like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this data, in series, we have median is equal to 3 because 3 lies in the middle. Here also we are given with example like the income of the 5 employees is rupees 900, 950, 1020, 1200 and 1280. Here the median will be 1020. Why? Because this value is present at the middle position of the arrangement. So that will be the median. Now the calculation of median in case of individual series. We have to follow these steps to calculate the median. First step is, in each and every series, we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then we have to count the number of terms and put it equal to small n. Now two cases arises after this: if n is even or if n is odd. Now before going forward, you should know about that what is our odd numbers and what are even numbers. Odd numbers are like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to so on, and even numbers are like 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, which are divisible by 2. So when n is odd, then the median can be calculated easily. If n is odd, the median will be the value of n plus 1 over 2th item. And if n is even, then the median will be equal to the mean of two middle values. Let me give an example for this thing. Let the value of n be 6, which is an even number. So value of n plus 1 by 2 will be 6 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3.5. Now the median will be size of third item and size of fourth item divided by 2. We'll solve a few questions related to this. Next is, here is an illustration given to us. From the following data of wages of workers, compute the median wage. So as we have studied earlier, we have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Here we have arranged the data in ascending order. See, the lowest value in this is 1080, so it is at number 1, and the highest value is 1400, so we have placed it over here at the last. So this is the ascending order, as you can see that. Now after this, what we have to do, we have to calculate the number of terms here are 7. Now the median will be size of n plus 1 by 2th term. Then 7 plus 1 by 2th term is equal to fourth item. So what's the fourth item over here? It's 1150. So the median wage will be 1150. Next illustration. Obtain the value of the median from the following data. Here the data is given to us. In the similar manner, we have arranged this data in ascending order. Over here also. So you start, the lowest is 384 and the highest is 2488. After that, we have counted also the number of terms here are 10. After that, what will we do? We'll calculate the size of n plus 1 by 2th item. N plus 1 will be 10 plus 1 will be 11. 11 by 2 is equal to fifth. 5.5th item. The size will be then median will be 5th plus 6th by 2. What is 5th? It's 591 and 6th is 672. So we'll add these things and divide it by 2, and the required answer will be after division, that is 631.5. Now next is calculation of median in case of discrete series. Here also the first step will be we have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. Here then we have to find the cumulative frequencies. Then we have to apply the formula median. Here the median will be equal to size of capital N plus 1 by 2. You have to take care. Here it is capital N, that is the sum of frequencies. But previous what we have done in individual series, it was small n, that was the number of observation. Here it is the sum of frequencies. After calculating n plus 1 by 2, we will look at the cumulative frequency column and find the total, which is either equal to n plus 1 by 2 or next higher to that, and that will be the median. Let's go through an example to study this. Here in the data we have given the income and the number of persons. First of all, we have calculated the cumulative frequencies. How to calculate the cumulative frequency? As you all know, first frequency as it is 16, then 16 plus 24, that is 40, then 40, then first 3, then it will be 66, then we continuously are adding in this manner only. Then this table of cumulative frequency will appear to us. After that, here the median will be size of n plus 1 by 2 at item. Here the size of n, the sum of frequencies is 122. So it will be 122 plus 1 by 2, that is 61.5th item. So where 61.5 lies in the cumulative frequency? It lies over here in these two, isn't it? Between 40 and 66, 61 lies. So we have to take the higher term. So this. So the median will be 1500. In this case, this was the case of discrete series. Now next is calculation of median in case of continuous series. The formula for this is L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into I, where L is the lower limit of the median class, that is the class in which the medial term of the distribution lies. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is we have to take one step before value of the median class. And f is the simple frequency of the median class, and I is the class size or class interval of the median class. Let's go through an example to study this. Here we have to calculate the median. The marks are given to us and the number of students, that is the frequency, is given to us. As you can see, this is not an ascending or descending order. So what we'll do first, we'll convert this data into ascending order or descending order. See, we have arranged the data here in ascending order, starting from 5 to 10 interval, then 10 to 15 and so on. After that, we have calculated the cumulative frequency over here in these columns. 7 plus 15, that is 22, then 22 plus 24 is equal to 46, 46 plus 31 is equal to 77, 77 plus 42 is equal to 119, then 119 plus 30 is equal to 149, then 149 plus 26 will be equal to 175 and so on. So we have calculated the CF over here. Now we'll look for the n by 2th item, and again you have to take care, then in case of continuous series we'll look for n by 2th item, not for n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 is for discrete series, and here we are dealing with continuous series. So here the size of, to calculate the median class, we'll look for n by 2th item. Here the value of n is 200, last sum, then 200 by 2 will be 100th item. So where 100 lies? Between these two, between 77 and 119. We are looking in the cumulative frequency column. So we'll look for the higher term. Higher term is 119. So the median class will be 25 to 30. After this, the formula will be median L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into I. Now here the value of L will be 25 and n by 2 is as 100 and CF is 77. This we are not going to take 119, as in this question we are taking the preceding value of the median class, and F will be 42 only, and I the difference of these two 25 and 30, that is 5. So after this we'll put the values in the given formula. We are getting this thing. First of all we'll subtract this thing and divide these two, then 25 as it is. Then after solving this part we are getting 2.74. Then we will add these things, and then you will get the required median as 27.74 in case of last series, that is in case of continuous series we have dealt with. Now I hope you have understood all the concept of median. If you have any queries, please text me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.